Hello friend, come near, Bluey has something clear. Today the sky is bright, the park is full of light. She skips along the ground, her tail makes a swishy sound. And oh, what's that surprise, an ice cream with blinking eyes. It wiggles and smiles wide, Bluey gasps and runs to the side. The cone gives a tiny cheer, its voice is gentle, soft, and near. Like this video and subscribe today, then join our games and come to play. Bluey claps her paws with glee, how can an ice cream talk to me? The cone blinks once, then twice, its voice is friendly, warm, and nice. The chocolate top shakes around, sprinkles fall and twirl to the ground. Children laugh and gather near, magic fills the sunny air clear. The cone begins to sing, a jolly, jiggly spring. Hop and bounce, don't be shy, jump so high you touch the sky. Bluey hops with all her might, the cone wobbles left and right. They spin in a silly race, chasing each other around the place. The breeze is soft and sweet, their giggles skip on happy feet. But then the cone feels low, its sprinkles fall, too fast they go. Bluey pauses, tilts her head, don't be sad, she softly said. With paws she scoops them near, presses them back with gentle cheer. The cone shines bright again, sings a silly candy refrain. Thank you, friend, you made me strong, now let's dance and sing along. Together they spin and sway, the sun glows warm to end the day. The children clap and cheer, magic stays when friends are near. The ice cream gives a wink, its eyes shine like stars that blink. Goodbye for now, don't fear, I'll be back when fun is near. Bluey waves with happy eyes, dreams of more bright surprise. Stories grow when friends appear, so come again and play right here. And always keep joy alive, Bluey says thanks, hearts thrive.